Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Artistic YK, and today we are going to see a fudgy brownie recipe. It's really tasty. It really tastes like heaven, so do try it. And now let's get on to the recipe. One cup powdered sugar, half a cup melted butter, cooled, half cup plus 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, which is maida, half cup plus 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 cup chopped dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1.5 tablespoon yogurt, and a half tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, which doesn't have any smell or taste. Now, in a bowl, we are going to take 1 cup of powdered sugar, and into that our half cup of melted butter, and then give it a good mix. Now, into this mixture, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then again mix it. Now we'll add yogurt and again mix. Now it's time to add our maida. Now we'll sift cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Now after sifting the cocoa powder, we'll just mix it. The mixture is really dry now, but we are going to add our melted chocolate to it, so it will be okay. Now, to a double boiler system, take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 cup of dark chocolate, and then let it melt. Now our chocolate has completely melted, so we'll switch off the flame and let it cool down. It should be warm enough to use, not hot or not so cold, warm. Now add the melted chocolate. Now give it a good mix. Now we'll add our batter into square mold. I have lined it with butter paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can also grease it with oil or melted butter. If the consistency of the batter is really thick, what you can do is you can add half or 1/3 cup of milk to your batter. Spread the batter evenly, and you can add nuts if you like. I'm going to spread some chopped almonds. Now bake your brownie at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes in preheated oven. And if you are making this in a kadai, so in preheated kadai you need to bake your brownie for 40 to 45 minutes. Now our brownie is baked perfectly. It should have like texture like this. Then you will know. And also, if the toothpick comes clean, it's done. Now we'll let it cool down for at least 1 hour, and then we'll cut it, because if we cut when it's warm or hot, it will be really crumbly